Hi, everybody. I'm John Smith, General Partner with InnoSphere Ventures, leading the B2B software practice. I have over 30 years experience founding and building software businesses, taking them from scratch to over $100 million in annual revenue. Now I'm a venture capitalist, ready to guide you on your journey, helping you build your successful B2B SaaS business. This video is part of my Building a Successful SaaS Business 10-part series. Today's topic is product. On the InnoSphereFund.com website, I have a downloadable version of the complete Building a Successful SaaS Business presentation that covers all 10 topics in the video series, and I have sprinkled in over 40 hyperlinks of thought-leading articles providing much more detail on the concepts. So I really encourage you to download the presentation. All right, so how do you build the product for a SaaS business? Well, first, develop a multi-tenant architecture from the beginning, as it's very difficult to retrofit multi-tenancy into your product later. Without multi-tenancy, the cost will be too expensive on a per customer basis, making it very difficult to reach profitability for the business. You will want to use a cloud provider to save time and money. I recommend using AWS as your cloud provider for SaaS solutions. AWS is the leader in the market with a very mature cloud service ecosystem, and they continue to show leadership with new innovative technologies to make your SaaS solution better over time. I suggest using the available AWS components, such as Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon EKS Kubernetes, Amazon Cognito, etc., as you can see on the slide. Amazon is putting a lot of investment into the continued development of these components, and you know they will work together, reducing the risk of integration problems. Now, React is quickly becoming the popular choice for front-end development, while Python and Node.js are the choices for the back end. So start your development with Amazon serverless Lambda functions to quickly build your application and keep costs down. The use of Lambda functions initially negates the need for Docker and Kubernetes, but they will be useful once the business is ready to implement a more scalable application, with the Lambda functions becoming part of a microservice. Now, microservices communicate with each other asynchronously using the Amazon SNS message bus, which improves performance, reliability, and scalability. You can use Amazon QuickSight for your data analytics, including trending and predictive analysis, and use Amazon AI services to provide personalized recommendations, increase customer engagement, in addition to automating and optimizing business processes. Early on, have your DevOps engineers design and implement a continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline that enables zero downtime upgrades of the product. It's hard to add this later. Okay, so now the top SaaS trends include artificial intelligence and machine learning to provide an advanced level of responsiveness and interaction between businesses and customers. Centralized analytics to gain deeper insight into customers and users. Vertical SaaS, targeting clients within specific industries, such as fintech, health tech, and energy tech. API connections, to integrate your SaaS solution with existing business systems. White label SaaS, so your customers can use their own branding with your SaaS solution. And finally, mobile optimization, adopting a mobile-first mentality, placing priority on your mobile app over your web app, as users increasingly prefer to use their mobile devices to interface with your product. So there you have it, an overview of the product for a SaaS business and what success looks like. So go to the InnoSphereFund.com website and download the Building a Successful SaaS Business presentation, so you can go deeper into the concepts I've covered in the video series, including all the hyperlinks and extra slides. Once you've established a product market fit for your business, and are ready for seed funding, reach out to Innosphere Ventures and let's see if we can be your partner, helping guide you along your journey to success.